Yep, I bet you're wondering what I'm working on today. Well, you see it. Yeah. It's up there somewhere. If you remember back in September when I put a fuel pump on, I was working on a hole that had rubbed in the tank. Well, my repair didn't hold. I got to noticing something here a while back and discovered that it was leaking again, so I got some compound, or it's some kind of epoxy, I don't know what it is. It's supposed to successfully repair rust holes. So we are going to find out. Here a while back I put new universal joints in. I didn't make a video for that, mainly because the camera was dead and all my cards were full. The ones I could find, anyway. So, let me just see if I can set the camera up here. There we go. I don't know what kind of view you're going to have because I really can't see all that well. Well, let me try something else. Oh, there we go. You can see just fine now. So I'm going to just take and wire brush this down. I do know that there was a hole up there somewhere. Being able to find it again would be the hard part. Just have to keep like this. Cleaned it out. Like I said, I don't even know if this will hold or not. If it don't, I'll order a new gas tank. Surely it won't be as much as the one for my Bronco was. The one for my Bronco was like $110 or something like it. I really can't remember. It's up there somewhere. I'll keep at it with the brush. Whoops, dropped the brush. Kind of a tight hole. And I think that should be good enough. Yeah, I see it now. Okay, so now I'll just spray a little brake clean on it and get the stuff and see if that works. Okay, here is the stuff I bought. Magnum Instant Gas Tank Repair. 2 hours setting time. Instant seal, no welding, no draining, no tank removal. Well, I had to lower it in order to get to that spot. Instant gas tank repair. Stops gas tank leaks on the spot, plugs small holes, seams, cracks on any gas tank instantly without dangerous welding or removal of the tank. Special formula, works in the presence of gasoline and water. Easy to use formula, hardens like steel. Okay, it says directions. Surfaces to be repaired must be as clean as possible. Cut off the amount needed. Twist and knead epoxy until color is uniform. For ease of application, moisten hands slightly. Then firmly work the epoxy into the tank until the leak stops. Epoxy sets in 2 hours. Full cure in 12 hours. Instant gas tank repair seals like a plug from the inside out. Okay, well, it sounds like it'll work. Yeah, made in USA. Well, by Versakiln. I've used a lot of their products before. Well, I think we'll try it. I bought some stuff once before to use on this when the gas tank sprung a leak, and it was supposed to have been guaranteed to repair a gas tank leak, and it lasted long enough to drive it to town and put gas in it, and it started leaking again. Well, so we're going to give this a try and find out what happens. Okay, it says need until color is uniform. I guess that's beginning to look uniform or somewhere remotely like it. Okay, well, I went ahead and put it all back together. The bolts, I went ahead and took those out, cleaned them, and coated them real heavy with anti-seize. And of course, the spot where it had rubbed, it is right back behind that strap. And I also took the other bolt down as soon as I find it. Ah, there it is. And I coated it with anti-seize. I took it out and cleaned it and coated it with anti-seize so it doesn't rust. And they just glide on with ease now. I'd like to get it sandblasted sometime and get rid of some of this rust. Oh well, it's not too bad. I've seen worse. And I'll show you something else I did while I was waiting for this epoxy to set up. Let me get out underneath here. Phew. The moldings. I took the moldings down and cleaned all the crud out from behind them, cleaned the moldings real good, scrubbed them, then sprayed them with white lithium grease and screwed them back on. That helps rust proof, helps keeps all the gum and crud building up, especially along and through in this area and along over in here. You can see where it's at. It's bad about building up, and that kind of keeps that down a little bit. Front's not as bad, but I went ahead and done that also. So hopefully I've got it fixed for now. Anyway, lights out. Good night.